for that shit, they definitely wouldn't be able to walk this shit. Especially after
You also need to call Robbie, nigga.
gigantic penguin cock.
I believe that's an oxymoron.
Whatever it is, it's for happiness to the faces of men. And it's different times of our toes warm cuisine alone.
You hear me?
Well, good to see you, boy. See you on the inside, gentlemen. And now do me on the inside. Ow, can you feel me? I feel you.
White Box Office is your #1 spot for the funniest movies on television.